Basically, these are restocking on Sneakers app, so I wanted to do a video for you guys that wanted to pick them up and, you know, pretty much tell you everything you need to know about them. First and foremost, they come in nice little baby blue. If you didn't know, that's Drake's favorite color. On the front, we have Love You Forever. These are actually inspired by one of Drake's favorite childhood books. Nice little NOCTA paper on them things. And here they are, the same but different. Now, it really is just a simple Air Force. I always love these collab Air Forces just because typically the leather on them is a lot more premium than your regular Air Force. Now, I ended up scooping these under retail. They were even doing 30% off on the NOCTA website. But if you are gonna buy them tomorrow, it's gonna run you around $160. They also have the kid sizes, just in case you wanna keep the youngins fresh, or ladies, you guys can see this Love You Forever. And you can just tell, man, premium leathers throughout the shoe, which I'm really loving. AF1 on it. I like the beads version way better. I think you get that on NOCTA. It even comes with the book. I don't think they're going to restock them on the NOCTA website, but if they do, I'll put the link down below just so you guys can go check it out. What's going on with the other shoe? So yeah, we have Nike Air on the back, the NOCTA logo on the other pair. Nice little embroidery, and it comes with 2 different laces, baby blue. Or no, are these the beads? Oh, look at that. Now you know, you don't even gotta worry about it. If you get them on the Sneakers app, they come with the beads, so I'm definitely gonna change those out. I think this looks way cooler. This adds a little bit of customization to the Air Force. Like some of my favorite Air Forces we got here. The acronym Air Force. You guys see the zipper on it. These Billie Eilish Forces, love these. I'm a really big fan of that aesthetic. What do you think, Chloe? You like these? You a fan of these? Yeah, they're nice, huh? Boys off. Really nice leather on these. What I do like about the Air Forces, and I never actually liked these when I was younger, but man, they do clean up well. Like you can really beat these and honestly just throw them in the washer and they basically come out brand new. Just never wash these with hot water because they will shrink. I had to learn the hard way. See that NOCTA on the insole. As usual, true to size. You just can't go wrong with Air Force in general. Definitely a good selection on Drake's part. Yeah, those look good. Definitely go true to size if you do decide to pick a pair up. And there it is, man. Not much more to say. These will look good with pretty much any pants you decide to wear. Right now I'm wearing some Stussy corduroy oversized pants just to go with kind of the aesthetic and the look of it all. But I mean, if you want to wear skinny jeans, do your thing, bro. But it ain't gonna look as fire as this fit, I'm telling you right now. And then yeah, throwing those beads in there just gives it a whole new aesthetic, especially like with this all black fit. Yeah, that would go crazy. You just gotta go with the all white, man. Any other color just probably wouldn't have hit the same, you know? Show y'all what I'm talking about. So this jacket is from the homie Jonathan. He owns a brand called Visionaire. This is the fit, you know? A little nostalgia, like 90s vibe. Black tee underneath. This always looks good, timeless. You could even go crazy, like if you had like a baby blue jacket, that would be tough. Really, any color works. I feel like that's why I primarily find myself wearing just white sneakers, because it's like you don't even really gotta think about the fit. If you have the right garments, you're good. And if I wanted to go like a little crazy on them, you know, throw some earrings on, throw on like the watch. We already married, boys, so you got the ring on deck. Honestly, fit would look even more cool with some like gold, but I'm going with the white gold. And there it is, man, that's the fit. Y'all be trying to tell me I don't know how to dress, but you don't know how to dress, bro, because this fit is cold. Y'all need to evolve, that's all I'm saying. Rate this fit down below. I want to hear in the comments if this fit is cool or if it's trash. Let me know. And then back it up with showing me how you dress, because some of y'all be saying stuff and you ain't even got no profile picture. So I want to see how you look, brother. But there it is. That's everything you need to know about the NOCTA Air Forces. It's your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you on the next one. Run it. Hands in the air.